Overweight, as you know, you are expected, as per your height, you are expected to have some reasonable weight. Little this way, that way. If it is beyond that, beyond 5 to 10% of that, we call it overweight. If it is even beyond 15-20%, we call it obesity. So it's a spectrum. It's like that after 1990, as Dr. Amrendra sir told, life is in fast forward. Earlier, we took 100 years, 120 years to reach certain, I think about 6% of 1986, 6% of Hyderabadis are diabetics. Now 18% of Hyderabadis are diabetics. The reason you know well.
Thank you so much.
We started eating Domino pizzas, and there are a lot of McDonald's breakfasts, and literally no school has a playground. And once these are something like these foods, fast foods, you get very fast. At one time, if you need to eat some food, you need to go search for, find out, get the firewood, cook it, and then eat it. Now it is just at the stretch of phone call, or not even required. If you just order it, at midnight or midday, you have it. So that's how the big change that has caused the obesity or overweight is 2 times more than ever. You can see the adolescent obesity, because most of these stuff which I told, they are attracted by the adolescents, and it's 4 times more than ever. And 43% adults are overweight, slightly high, and about 16% adult population world over are living with obesity. Obesity, as I told, there is little difference between overweight and obesity. Obesity itself is a disease, overweight is something we can adjust with lifestyle. So these are the lifestyle measures that have changed immensely. And beyond all this, one great important factor is carbohydrate intake of Hyderabadis are 74%, which is
Biryani.
nowhere heard in the world. World's highest or biggest carbohydrate consumers are Hyderabadis, 74%. Whereas Caucasians, that is Westerns, eat only less than 35% of their meal is carbohydrate. That's why Hyderabad has the biggest number of diabetes in relative and absolute numbers in any single city in the world. We are capital of Hyderabad. We are number 1 in this. And you can see it is rapidly increasing like this. It used to be. And another important factor is after 90s, what happened, what changed in our lives is stress levels. To some extent, stress is acceptable. If the student is going for an examination, he will have some stress. Otherwise, he will not go and study. This is called eustress. That is good stress. But beyond this level, the stress is going to break us down. It should be copable. We should be able to cope up. When there is a stressor, you get stressed, you should be able to cope up. That is the second stage. If you can't cope up, if it continues beyond 2 weeks, it's going to become a disease. So, almost every one of us has some degree of stress. Only that person cannot have stress. So, BMI, which usually we are measuring earlier, body mass index as overweight or obesity, like that has changed recently. WHO has changed BMI as 23.5 is overweight for Indians and 27.5 is obese. Beyond that, 40 is morbid obesity in Caucasians, whereas extreme obesity, whereas in Indians it is 37.5. So 37.5, no need to do anything. Morbid obesity means he will keep suffering even at rest. While lying in the bed, while sitting also he will have breathlessness. He can't bend, he can't stand, he can't, many things. So that itself is an urgent emergency disease by itself. So, by all means, we have to change this condition. So, BMI is not